These days, we all can observe how this lockdown is bringing a positive effect on our environment. The nature seems to be happier than before. The two Indian holy rivers became cleaner, the Ganga and the Yamuna. Ganga's water has become cleaner than before. The result of the water quality from the lab is still awaited. Experts say that along with the lockdown, other factors too have contributed to cleaner water. 20% of the Ganga's water pollution is mainly caused by industrial waste. Ganga received approx 2,900 million liters of sewage daily, which can almost fill 1,160 Olympic pool. That means from lockdown, Ganga's water is saved by 49,300 million liters of chemical sewage. As you can see how large is this number. Near Yamuna, many industries and factories are closed due to the lockdown. This should be one of the main reasons of cleaning the water of rivers. The New York Times says that India savours a rare upside to coronavirus clean air. The pandemic leading to huge drop in air pollution in India as well as in the world. Experts say that this sudden shift represents the largest scale experiment ever in terms of the reproduction of industrial emulsions. The Sentinel-5P satellite shows that over the past 6 weeks, level of nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2, over the cities and the industrial cluster in Asia and Europe marked lower than in the same period last year. The World Health Organization describes NO2 as a toxic gas which causes significant inflammation of the airways. NO2 level also dropped in South Korea, Italy, in Milan, and in UK. Image showing a dramatic decrease in air pollution over quarantine areas has slashing lethal pollution including the greenhouse gases that are heating the climate. Deaths from atmospheric pollution sources said 48,000 approx people die annually in France because of atmospheric pollution and more than 1 million in China. Scientists estimate the US death from pollution approx 1 lakh per year, and in India pollution killed almost 1.24 million people in year 2017. WHO estimate global toll of 7 million. Reduction in air pollution and global heating could save more lives. If air quality was of healthy levels, it could be increased 1.7 years of average life expectancy. Because of this pandemic, at least now we know the levels of damages we are causing to our own nature. Even though at the same time, Mother Nature also shown us how fast she can heal herself. If we don't exploit her in such a fast and massive ways, just think by yourself how beautiful our world would be. Thanks for listening. Stay safe.